Hey, everybody. I just wanted to send out a quick update for you guys. You will potentially be getting a letter in the mail from the state of Arizona Department of Revenue, and it's a real letter. We'll start with that. The topic is your Arizona family's tax rebate. Yes, the government's sending you a rebate. So, Arizona Senate Bill 1734 was passed after the Governor Hobbs' budget was balanced and there was a surplus. So, they are going to send you guys some money. Some of you, not all of you. In order to qualify to receive a rebate, there's a couple of criteria that have to be met. The first one, you must have filed a 2021 tax return with one or more dependents under the age of 17. Now let's cover this a little more in depth. This dependent doesn't have to be on your 2022 tax return. This dependent doesn't need to still be under age 17. They just needed to be on your 2021 return and under age 17 at that time. If your income was over the threshold in 2021 to claim the dependent credit on your Arizona return, you do not qualify. The second, and this is a good news, bad news item, you must have paid at least $1 in Arizona tax on that tax return. So if you took advantage of the Arizona tax credits and your tax liability was zero, that means that you did not pay at least $1 of tax and you do not qualify for the rebate. So if you don't get a check, that's why. The rebate amount is $250 per dependent. Maximum is $750. So if you have 3 dependents under age 17 on that return, you're going to get $750. If you've got 4, 5, 6 dependents, you still get $750. And if you have less, you'll get 250 times that number. Arizona's plan is to send that money out by direct deposit to the information that was on your 2021 return. Yes, I know you have questions. What if you've moved? What if you've changed banks? What if you're no longer in Arizona? The guidance we have from Arizona right now is fairly straightforward. They are going to attempt to make a direct deposit into the account that's on that tax return. If it gets rejected, they're going to eventually process a paper check and mail it to the address that is on that tax return. I don't know what happens after that. We haven't got that far yet. It is the government. If you were married in 2021 and you have since divorced, if your name wasn't first on the tax return in the taxpayer position, not the spouse's position, that money will go to the person that's in the taxpayer slot. These are things I don't have any control over, and I don't know how we're going to address them in the future. So the good news, the government's going to send out some money to people that had dependents if you paid taxes by direct deposit. The bad news is if you don't have dependents, you're out of luck. If you didn't pay any tax, you're out of luck. And if you've changed banks or moved since then, I don't want to say you're out of luck, but you're not in luck. I'm sure by next tax filing season, they will have provided some additional guidance on what to do if you never received your $250. In the meantime, when you get a letter from the government, it's real. They are going to be sending you some money. It says up to $750. You just have to meet those criteria of filing a 21 return, having a dependent under age 17, paying at least $1 in tax, and then some money should be headed your way soon. If you guys have any questions, reach out. I appreciate all of you, and I'll talk to you soon.